Ang dami nang nakalipat, ikaw na ang next. 10K cash out only, lipat agad. No down payments or Tigas Pasig. For as low as 18,000 monthly, meron ka ng 2-bedroom unit na pwedeng malipatan agad pagka loan approve. No hidden charges, lifetime ownership, pet friendly, title transfer included at fast processing. Kami nang bahala mag-process ng property loan mo sa Pag-ibig Financing, bank financing or in-house financing. Pag na-approve ng loan, pwede mo na agad malipatan ng bagong 2-bedroom unit mo na pwede mong paupahan, ipasok sa Airbnb, ipasok mo sa bed space or long-term rental business. Malapit pa sa lahat ng commercial areas at schools at mga prime locations. Baka ito na yung property na para sa'yo. Click send message button below para makapag-set ka na ng free viewing. At may send ko sa'yo yung mga libreng details like photos and sample computation. Click send message button below now. Kung nagustuhan mo itong video, please like, comment, and share. And see you clients. God bless!